Before you even attempt to change the water heater, make sure you turn off the fuse box for the water heater. See, that's water heater. It's off. And of course, you gotta make sure nobody touches that. So we're good in there. What we have here is electricity check, circuit breaker check, electric wire check, and focus. Come on. Right there. All you have to do is press the button right here to check if you have live wire or not. So let's check this if it has a live wire. Okay. Yep, it's live. If it makes noise like that, it's live. If it doesn't make any sound, it's not live. Okay, this is what I use before I change the water heater. I turn off the fuse box and still check it with this thing before I take it apart to remove the wire from the water heater. So I would highly suggest get yourself something like this. Okay, if you're working on electricity, get yourself something like this. It's better to be safe than sorry. Right now we are under the apartment. This is the water heater. Let me go closer. As you can see, it's tight underneath here. Look, that's the entrance. Okay. And right now, the water heater is leaking really bad. That's really bad. I mean, I cannot even say how bad it is. The water heater should not be like this. Okay. First, since we already turned off the electricity upstairs, don't just go and start repairing on the electric, because you don't know if the shut off really did shut it off. Okay, you have 3 wires in here. You get ground, you get positive and negative, and this is the shut off valve going to the inside the shut off valve for the water that goes in the water heater. You need to shut it off. You have to make sure it's shut off. And then first thing first, we remove this and that. And of course we have to wait until this thing is drained, because this thing is really heavy right now. Okay. And we cannot even connect the hose on that thing because we cannot even open it anymore. We might have to remove that and just let the water out in here. Okay, we will try to open up the stuff. Okay, get back to work. Okay, we're inside Lowe's looking for water heater to replace that. And the water heaters are here. That's gas. These are gas. 28 gallon.
400.
And that is the price. 439 for a 28 gallon electric water heater. We're looking for a little bit bigger, 50 gallon. This thing won't fit in there. I think this is the one. How many gallon is that? No, that's too big, I think. I guess we're picking up that one then. Yeah. What is this thing? I guess we're using this. Well, we don't need those, do we?
Metal, cotton.
Oh wow, look at this.
No, like this one.
What is that?
Shear.
Hmm.
How do you do that? Oh, it's connected to the drill.
Whoa,
Good. Cut the whole car. Utility pump.
I wonder if I can use that on my fish pond.
Can look. Submersible.
No.
Find leak fast. Booster pump. Booster pump.
And then going here, I take a small popper and just kick away into the slot.
Yeah, no.
That's gonna be
It's the one I need.
Small boxes like that don't belong 25 feet ahead. That way, slightly.
Come on, we go pick up that.
Where is it now?
Over there. So we're picking up a little bit smaller.
the one.
It says 42, but I can't find it.
Because they don't have 30 gallon.
Look how much.
Nah, right there.
Tankless electric.
$2.99.
No.
Huh?
Electric water tankless. No more tank. This is the one. Look how much it costs over here. In Philippines, this is only like one.
Oh. Okay. So we're picking up this one, A.O. Smith, for $39.
Oh, wait. Move on.
Are you gonna open it? You sure it's, how about the height? Nah. Okay. Hey, let's go get caulking and caulking gun. What we have here is the new water heater. Like I said, we have 3 wires, positive and negative, and ground. That's the ground right there. Okay, now the cold water enter here and then the water heater will heat it up and it will bring it out here, supply the house. That's how it works. So not right now, we're removing the old water heater. We disconnect the wire, we disconnect the two pipes, and then drain that out because that thing has like 30 gallons of water. You cannot move it, it's too heavy. Once we bring that out, we bring this back in, reconnect this and that and this, position it, turn on the water. Make sure before you even turn on the water heater, this thing is full of water. How you can tell if it's full of water? You turn on the hot water inside the house, but of course it's not hot yet because it's not on. What's gonna happen if you turn on this and it's not full of water? You will burn out the filament inside this and it's not gonna work anymore. You're gonna need another one, another new water heater.